Most Americans plan to work until age 65. Some expect to work until 70 or even longer. But what if that's completely unnecessary? What if you could retire 10 to 20 years earlier? Sounds crazy, right? But it's possible. You don't need $1.8 million to retire. That number is way off for most people. Many are overestimating their retirement needs and underestimating their early retirement potential. Today, I'll show you 7 signs you're ready, and 3 have nothing to do with money. If any apply to you, consider retiring early. Tap the like button if freedom sounds better. And let's dive into sign number 1. Sign number 1, no mortgage payment. Your mortgage is your biggest monthly expense, but once it's gone, costs drop fast. Paying off your home is a retirement unlock. Aim to kill your mortgage in your 50s. If you still have one, plan around it. No mortgage equals lower retirement savings needed. Sign number 2, you understand savings rate versus expenses. Income matters, but savings rate matters more. A millionaire friend spends 95% of his income. He'd need $25 million to retire comfortably. The less you spend, the sooner you retire. Savings rate drives your financial freedom timeline. Example, save 70%, retire in just 8 years, save 50%, that's 14 years to retirement. At 30% savings, expect 22.5 years working. At 10% savings, retirement takes over 40 years. Americans average just 4 to 5% savings. Yikes, use tools like Claude.ai to model savings. Impact link to FIRE calculator is in the description. Sign number 3, multiple income streams, side hustles, rental income, or dividends help. If they cover 60 to 80% of expenses, you're closer to freedom than you think. Add up all your passive income. Can it replace your job? You're ready. Retirement isn't just about savings, it's income too. Sign number 4, saved approximately 20 times annual expenses. You've heard, save 25 times your annual expenses, but that rule is overly conservative today. Even its creator updated the math recently. Now he uses a 4.7% withdrawal rate. That means 20 times your expenses may be enough. Smaller nest egg, same retirement lifestyle. More asset classes equals better growth, less risk. You don't need millions if you save smart. Now for the final 3 signs. They have nothing to do with money. These are the emotional and life signs. Sign number 5, you're healthy and want more. Life. Good health and life goals matter deeply. If you're healthy now, don't wait too long. Retire early while you still have energy. Don't miss your bucket list, years to work. Purpose matters. Plan for retirement activities now. Have something to retire to, not just from find hobbies, passions, and community involvement. Health won't last forever. Time is priceless. Sign number 6, work is draining or unfulfilling. Dreading work, constantly stressed, losing motivation, that's a serious warning sign to consider. Staying in a toxic job damages your health, and it costs more than you think. Chronic stress leads to medical bills and burnout. Don't waste life chasing checks you don't need. Your peace of mind is worth retiring early. Sign number 7, you've hit all your career goals. You've achieved what you set out to do. No more challenges, no more new learning. Now it's just the paycheck, not purpose. That's a clear sign to exit proudly. Retiring on a high note feels amazing. Why grind if the mission is complete? Don't miss life milestones chasing extra income. Final thoughts. Retirement may be closer than you think. Most Americans will work into their late 60s, but you might not need to. You've reduced expenses, saved aggressively, built income streams. You have purpose and health. That's enough. Early retirement isn't for everyone, but maybe for you. Which of these 7 signs fit your life? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Want the real retirement math exposed? Watch this video on the screen now. It breaks down all the myths and lies. Thanks again to Claude and Anthropic for sponsoring. And thank you for being here today. See you in the next video. Peace.